Here in Pasco, acres and acres of vineyards are heavy with grapes all headed to the same place, a delicious bottle of Washington wine. Here at Sagemoor Vineyards, brand ambassador Kent Walliser knows that the history of these grapes plays a huge role in what makes them so great.
We are located right now at two of our vineyards, Bacchus and Dionysus, both planted in 1972 and 73.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
So some of the oldest vines in the state of Washington in production, they'll be here after I'm gone. They will.
So how long have you worked here?
I'm going to 45 years.
45 years.
They haven't fired me, so I'm still here today.
Miguel Rodriguez started pruning nectarines for Sagemoor many years ago. Today, he's become a celebrated vineyard manager. So I understand that you actually have a particular wine named after you.
Yeah, the company gave me that privilege, and it's just called Miguel the Man.
Miguel the Man?
Which has been more harder to make it better now with my name on it, because everybody has my face right there, you know.
Right, exactly.
So easy, like, yeah.
It better be good.
Yeah, very good, you know.
So I found some Merlot and Cab Franc, blocks that he had planted in 97. We sat around after it was made and talked about what are we going to call it. And we kept talking about Miguel and his impact on the vineyard. Finally, somebody said, why don't we just call it Miguel the Man?
It's like a word from my company, recognition, my hard work that I put into the company all these years.
But before we can see what a bottle of Miguel the Man is all about, we have to see where it's made. Director of winemaking Aaron Morrell is at the start of the busy season because making wine doesn't happen on its own.
We're just receiving the first bit of fruit, so that fruit will be here bright and early in the morning. So it's really kind of the beginning of our busiest part of harvest. And hopefully you see how clean everything is. You know, the guys spend a tremendous amount of time cleaning. We probably spend more time cleaning than anything else in the building. Sagemoor is more a story of vineyards and in places than anything. You know, I get the luxury of making wine from some of the most historic vineyards in the state. You know, for us, the beauty is you got to grow something. You then cultivated that into a dedicated crop that you get to distill down into a product that in the end, 2, 3, 4 years down the road, you get to enjoy.
All right, let's see what Miguel the Man is all about. Miguel the Man. That is pretty cool, man.
Thank you.
I mean, really, like you said, it is an award. I mean, if I had my name on a wine bottle, I'd feel pretty special too.
Yeah, I feel special. You know.
It's very fruity, it's bright.
This wine, you don't have it to drink it, you know that's good. But just by the smell.
Right, seriously.
You really tell, you know.
Well, if the smell is making me smile. Yeah. All right, cheers, brother.
Cheers.
It's got some spice to it.
Mm-hmm.
Like you.
Yeah.
It's really rich and robust. Ah, Miguel the Man. How many bottles of this do you have at home?
I got a 12-pack right now. I need to ask my boss for more. I guess I need to start charging.
That's right.
For this job.
This is a true testament to not only Sagemoor, but to the work that you and all of your workers are doing here.
Yeah, thank you.
Gracias.
De nada. Pleasure.